WEBKNOSSOS is a great tool for collaboratively annotating large 3D images. In this video, we will show you how to make the most out of the basic and smart annotation tools of WEBKNOSSOS, along with its mesh capabilities and layer system. If you are new to WEBKNOSSOS.org, start by signing up for a free account. Enter your name, email address, and password, and click on Create Free Account. You will be directed to the Featured Publications page. Select a dataset from the list of publications to start annotating a demo dataset. Alternatively, watch our tutorial on how to upload your own data. Click on Create Annotation to begin. Navigate through the dataset and zoom in to find the cell you want to annotate. Select the brush tool to create your first volume annotation. Use the eraser tool to correct mistakes. Create a new segment by selecting a new segment ID. Use the trace tool to draw more precise contours. WEBKNOSSOS also supports skeleton annotations. Use them to trace processes, measure distances, add comments, and more. Now, let's explore the smart tools of WEBKNOSSOS. Choose the Quick Select tool and turn on the AI option. Draw a rectangle around the cell you want to segment. Create and annotate new segments by pressing the keyboard shortcut, C. Quick tip: when dealing with long and complex shapes, try drawing multiple rectangles on different areas. The annotations will merge and your complex shape will be segmented in no time. Now, annotate a new segment. Next, jump a few more slices in the Z direction. Annotate your cell again. Click the Interpolation tool. WEBKNOSSOS just segmented each slice in between the two and saved you time. Repeat this super fast workflow as much as you need. The combination of these two tools enables highly efficient 3D annotation. To create a 3D mesh, right-click on your annotation and click on Compute Mesh. Hide the planes in the 3D viewport to fully enjoy your 3D mesh. If you want to have a look at even more impressive meshes, go to the featured publication and choose a dataset with an existing mesh file. Right-click on a segment and choose Load Mesh. Maximize the 3D viewport and enjoy the view. WEBKNOSSOS works with a layer system, similar to Photoshop. You will usually have the raw data layer at the top, as well as optional additional layers, like this machine learning-based prediction layer. You can change the opacity and use the histogram to change the contrast of your data. Then, you will find the segmentation layers for volume and skeleton annotations. Adjust and explore the different available settings, and toggle the visibility of the annotation layers as needed. You can have multiple segmentation or volume layers to annotate overlapping objects. Once a volume annotation layer is active, you can start annotating. Open a dataset and start annotating right now. Get started for free at WEBKNOSSOS.org.